Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on linear finance. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the price line of linear finance was once again read the resistance of a rising wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared almost 5 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally the price line has broken out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, and now it is moving above the resistance and about to hit the next long-term resistance of $0.009. And by the way, this $0.009 is a quite long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that previously this $0.009, very close to 1 cent, has been previously breaking as a very, very strong support for several months. And before that, for several weeks a month, it has been breaking other resistance here as well. And therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and another breakout from this very, very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade signal for Troy, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this of the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and then it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very powerful pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of linear finance. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern. It was entered the wedge here, by the way, on 7th of October 2024. You can see that we got several ejections by the resistance, and we had a bounce from the support, rejection, bounce, another bounce, rejection, and finally the price has broken out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And while moving to the upside inside this rising wedge pattern, the price also broke out a quite long-term down channel as well. You can see that when we found the support and resistance of this rising wedge pattern, at that time it was also moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, then technical target for the breakout from this wedge can be here. That is approximately at 1 cent. And you can see that before that, we have a quite long-term resistance here at $0.009. And therefore, now there is a very high probability that the price may soon break out this resistance of $0.009 as well, in order to hit their target for the breakout from this rising wedge pattern. That is approximately at 1 cent. And after that, the next long-term resistance will be here at 1.2 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.2 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several months, and resistance here as well. And here in the month of June 2024, despite this long spike, the price line could not break out this resistance. Therefore, again, it can break as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of linear finance. And after that, it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And I've been telling you even before the breakout is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 1.65 cents. And by the way, from 1.65 cents to 2 cents, we have a quite long-term resistance zone that was previously breaking as a resistance zone here. And for several months, it has been breaking as a resistance zone here. And before that, it was breaking as support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here as well. Now, on this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakup from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.